Yeah. I think you'll like it. Something you and your guests will truly enjoy. Hi, I'm Keith Colbert. Welcome to Casey's Kitchen. I'll be doing some recipes that's easy and fun and something that you and your guests will truly enjoy. Hi, welcome back to Casey's Kitchen. I know it's been a while, but we're back. Today we're going to be doing a chimichurri sauce. It's famous in Argentina, something you really going to truly enjoy. I tell you this, it's fun, it's easy, and you know what? You and your guests will truly enjoy. All right, now I'm going to go over our main ingredients. Something you're not used to, which is shallot. Shallot is a very light onion, and it's so tender once it cooks down and renders that flavor. You can use a local onion, but if you can find these are fantastic, and roasted, they are delicious and so easy. Also, you know cilantro is in many dishes here in Asia. Something we have here though is a flat leaf parsley. You'll see curly leaf a lot, and you also see an Italian flat leaf. The dish calls for Italian flat leaf parsley. But today is a special treat. I'm adding a little jalapeno. So it'll make it a little spicy. I'm going to do a flank steak later. You'll see that, and then we'll grill it. But first thing we're going to do is make our sauce. Drop 4 cloves of garlic. Dash these shallots up. If you get a chance, you get these. You can probably get them at Lotte department store. They normally have most all the things that you need in dishes like this, but these things are fabulous. I'm going to put that in there and drop a quarter of the jalapeno in there. And then I'm going to grind this up. I'm going to put a half a cup of cilantro in there. Let me blend that in now. I'll add my flat leaf parsley. Get that in there. Oh man, that's already smelling great. And go back to grinding. Alright, add a little bit of lime juice in it. Help it blend well. And a little bit of cumin. This is that chili. Oh, it smells so great. You'll love it. I'm going to put the oregano in there. Now when you do that, watch, I'm going to rub it. And you can smell it. Oh, it smells so good. And I'm going to put a touch of olive oil in there, and I'll be adding more as we go. Let's get it back working again. Nothing like fresh lime juice. Man, this stuff smells fantastic. Let's add that. Yeah. Give it a quick blend. It's getting right. I think a little more olive oil. And just get it to the consistency that you want it. If you want it a little more soupy, go that way. You know, nothing you're going to do is going to hurt it. And we're going to blend a little more. And it smells so remarkable. Oop. And it run off the top. I'm going to put a little salt. About a half a tablespoon or a teaspoon. And black pepper. About the same amount. Put it on, blend a little bit. Ease this out. I'm going to taste it now. Start getting it ready. Maybe a little bit more salt. Put it back on there. And a little bit of red pepper flakes. Get a little more spice kick in that thing, not too much. A little bit goes a long ways. Flip it back in there. You can see I'm overflowing, but that's okay. And then we blend a little more. You can see I dropped a couple more pieces of jalapeno in there, and I'm going to cut up this chili and put in there, seed and all, to get a little more kick to this thing as we go through it. And we'll blend this all together and try again. Just kind of finalizing how we want it to taste, and it is tasting good. And that is the most beautiful lime green. Yeah. Yep. I'm sorry. It's tasty, even on my finger. Yeah. I think you'll like it. Something you and your guests will truly enjoy. Like me now. Bye. Okay. Hey, here I am. You know, this has been in the sauce. Our chimichurri sauce has been in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. You know, our steaks are in there marinating really well. I learned this recipe from Cameron. So I finally realized there was something missing. Something's missing. And when I was tasting, I'm going, oh my God, what did I forget? And then I realized red wine vinegar. So, it's not going to overflow because half of it's in the plastic bag with the steaks. So I'm going to add this, and we can use it as a dipping sauce when our steaks are done on the grill. So, stay with us. It's too easy and tasty. Putting about a tablespoon in there. There we go. And let's blend it a little more. But I don't believe it'll overflow this time. Oh no, look at that. Yep. No overflow. Looks great. Yep. That was it. Don't forget your red wine vinegar. It's important. Sorry. It happens. Too easy and tasty. Something you and your guests will truly enjoy. Pepper? Perfect, that's good. Pepper. More? Nah, kidding. Vinegar. vinegar.
It's really good.
I've been working on my Korean.
Yes.
Have you heard?
No, I didn't hear that.
Well, you know, noon. Hui.
Okay.
Ipok.
Oh, you
Yeah.
forgot something very special. What's this?
Ko.
Perfect.
Didn't think I'd know that.
I did not
And then,
know that.
you know, when I first came to Korea, you know, I did learn a little bit of Korean. It was real easy because the dude woke me up every morning with those scissors. Clank, 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 clank. He would click these scissors. And most of the younger Koreans may not know what that is, but the older people will. And then they were saying things like, Manu, Kamja, Yongpa. So that's how I learned Korean.
Okay.
The
Kind of
only thing
like.
I couldn't find was the Wajong Shil.
What's this?
That's a Yangpa.
양파. 특별한 양파.
Yangpa.
양파.
Yangpa. That's what I said the first time. Gochu fleco.
고추가루.
Gochu garu.
Oh yeah.
Chinga. Heike. Gochu gada. Gochu gada.
All right. Let's
do it.
Let's do it.
I'm Keith Colbert. This is my special guest, Cameron. He's here.
I'm here.
We're going to do a good recipe tonight. What we're going to do?
In